How are we doing, folks? James Farrer here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this 2014 BMW 5 Series 520D Luxury Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. You have the BMW LED angel eyes up front, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front parking sensors, the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres. You have the silver trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top. If you come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the rear LED brake lights, twin exhausts, rear parking sensors, and the automatic trunk. Just a simple click the key fob and she'll pop right open. And let's take a quick look at the interior. Now, folks, that we're inside, you notice the BMW multifunctional sports steering wheel. This car is fitted with a comfort mode, a sports mode, and an eco pro mode. Also on board is the BMW iDrive system, the automatic transmission, the e-brake, the BMW teleservice, the keyless push button start ignition, heated seats. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a dark wood trim finish. Fully electric windows, automatic lights, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, the BMW SOS service, and many other extras. Now, folks, that was just a quick look around this 2014 BMW 5 Series 520D Luxury Saloon. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.